Let me show you how we can set up PowerPoint presentation to look just like a flipbook. First step is to head to the Design tab and adjust the backdrop. Usually when we got left and right page in the flipbook, there will be a bit of shadow in between those pages in the middle. So we can use the Format, Background, Gradient to recreate that. So what I did here is make a gradient with 3 different colors. So colors at each edge are the same, and in the middle we got a darker version. To modify the color, click on it, then from the color pick the bucket and click more colors, so you got the full control. You can select exact color you need. So try to use the gradient to make a bright, dark, bright combination. This way we got this darker belt just in the middle of the page at 50%. We can even type it from the keyboard here. And with this backdrop setup, now we can add a proper transition. So let's head to transitions, open the list and search for the flipping pages transition. Here is page curl. Select that, apply to all. So far I got only one slide, so I will just duplicate the same slide a few times so we can observe the flipbook effect. Alright, let's play it. Alright, when I click to next slide, I got this book-like page flipping. This shadow in the middle make it even more realistic. And that's how you can set up your PowerPoint to look just like a flipbook. First step, add design, format backdrop, set as the gradient with a bit of dark just in the middle. Step number 2, we need a proper page cut transitions and you are good to go. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.